Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Blonde Bombshell is probably one of the most sought-after hair transformations, allowing you to achieve that sun-kissed, lighter look right in the comfort of your own home. But with so many options available, choosing the perfect kit can feel overwhelming, and we're here to help you navigate the process to achieve stunning results safely and effectively, ensuring you get the vibrant, lighter hair you've always dreamed of without compromising the health of your locks. Number 5. MANIC Panic Flash Lightening Bleach Kit. Ready to transform your look? Our powerful lightning kit is designed to lift your hair color effectively, giving you a vibrant new canvas. Achieve dramatic results with our advanced formula. It's capable of lifting your hair color up to 7 levels, perfect for achieving those bold, lightened shades. Struggling with dark hair? This bleach is specifically formulated to tackle darker tones, ensuring a more even and efficient lightening process. Get everything you need in one kit. It comes complete with a 40-volume developer and bleach powder for maximum lifting power. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can lighten your hair with a clear conscience. Experience the super strength of our Flash Lightning formula. It delivers powerful lightning action for stunning transformations. What we like? This kit offers super strength for serious lightening. It lifts up to 7 levels, making it ideal for dark hair. If you're looking to achieve a significantly lighter shade quickly and effectively, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to achieve a beautiful blonde shade. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and the results are consistently good. The lightening cream is gentle on the hair, minimizing damage and breakage. Number 4. BOLDIFY Hairline Powder. Tired of thinning hair? Achieve a fuller, more confident look in seconds with this revolutionary root touch-up powder. Effortlessly blend away grays and roots for a natural finish. It perfectly matches your existing hair color, making it undetectable. Enjoy 24-hour wear that's completely waterproof and sweatproof. This powder stays in place, no matter what your day holds. The innovative design ensures a clean and precise application every time. Say goodbye to messy sprays and powders. It's the perfect solution for thinning hair, providing instant volume and coverage. Rediscover your hair's natural thickness and beauty. Worry less about smudging or transfer. This formula is designed to resist water and prevent stains, keeping your look flawless. What we like? This product is designed for quick root touch-ups and gray coverage. It's water-resistant and mess-free, perfect for on-the-go. If you need to maintain your color between salon visits or cover thinning areas seamlessly, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need for a successful lightening session, including gloves, a mixing bowl, and clear instructions. It lightened my dark brown hair to a beautiful blonde in just one application, achieving a natural-looking result. The formula is gentle and didn't cause excessive dryness or damage to my hair, which was a major concern for me. Number 3. L'Oréal Paris Feria Hyper Platinum Lightening System. Introducing the L'Oréal Paris Feria Hyper Platinum Advanced Lightening System. It's designed to lift your hair color up to 8 levels, giving you a stunningly bright blonde. This powerful hair dye kit utilizes advanced technology to achieve a superior lightening effect. Get ready for a dramatic transformation. Say goodbye to brassy tones. Our kit includes a specialized anti-brass purple conditioner to keep your blonde looking pure and vibrant. Achieving salon-quality results at home has never been easier. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a seamless application. Unlock your dream blonde with this revolutionary system. Experience the ultimate in hair lightening and conditioning. What we like? Experience advanced lightening that lifts up to 8 levels. It includes a special purple conditioner to combat brassiness. If you desire the lightest possible blonde and want to ensure a cool, ash-toned result, this system is highly recommended. What people say. This is the best hair lightener I have ever used. It lightened my hair to a beautiful blonde in just one application. I was able to achieve a perfect platinum blonde with this kit. It did not damage my hair at all. The instructions were very clear and easy to follow. I was able to get salon-quality results at home. Number 2. Arctic Fox Bleach Please Hair Lightening Kit. Dreaming of a lighter shade? Our Lightening Kit is designed to help you achieve your desired hair color safely and effectively. This kit features a 35-volume developer for powerful lightening, while being infused with nourishing ingredients like acai, cocoa, sunflower oil, and papaya. We've enriched our formula with natural oils and fruit extracts to help keep your hair healthy and moisturized during the lightening process. Your safety is our priority. This kit includes latex-free gloves for a comfortable and secure application. Feel good about your choice. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can lighten your hair with a clear conscience. It's time to unlock your hair's potential and explore a world of color possibilities. Get ready for a beautiful transformation. What we like. This cream bleach formula is infused with nourishing botanical oils. It uses a 35-volume developer for effective lightening. If you have concerns about hair damage during the bleaching process and want a gentler, more conditioning experience, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. This kit has a great consistency, it's not runny at all and applies very easily. The color came out exactly as pictured on the box, a beautiful blonde. It lightened my dark brown hair to a platinum blonde in one application without any brassiness. Number 1. MANIC Panic Flash Lightening Hair Bleach Kit. Get ready to transform your look with our powerful hair bleach kit. It's designed to lift dark shades effectively, giving you the perfect canvas for your next style. Achieve dramatic results with our advanced formula. It lifts your hair up to 5 levels, making it easy to go from dark to a beautiful medium or light blonde. This kit includes everything you need to start your vibrant color journey. The 30-volume developer ensures a potent and efficient lightening process. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our bleach is vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the products you use. Achieve professional-looking results in the comfort of your own home. This kit provides a reliable and effective way to lighten your hair. Get more value with our 2-pack option. You'll have plenty on hand for touch-ups or for sharing the lightening power with a friend. What we like. This kit provides reliable lightening with a 30-volume developer. It lifts up to 5 levels, suitable for achieving medium to light blonde tones. If you have medium to dark hair and are looking for a consistent, moderate lift with a value pack, this is a solid choice. What people say. I have dark brown hair and it lifted me to a beautiful blonde in one application. It lightened my hair evenly and didn't leave any brassy tones. The kit came with everything I needed, including gloves and a mixing bowl. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.